Alright, so one of the things most people concerned about in terms of coming to Montego Bay presently, because after the storm, is Long Hill. So now we are going down Long Hill, so we're showing you what going on. Because at the end of the day, the road some of the road get damaged, dig up by water, and there's still debris on the road. So people have to be super careful, especially if there is utility pole and them things that are still active. You have to be super careful. You know what I mean? But show them the road where it's going. What's that? Everybody else, I wonder what they're going to say. Yeah, man, see over there. How close I'm going to go over there, too. Close, I'm going to go over there. Alright. Everybody else, I wonder over there, sir. Long Hill. Precipitate, look. So when you go down there, so you can't come back. So you better go down there. Dan Payasa Road. Zachin. Zachin, konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Hello, my neighbor. Yeah. Yeah, some shit, now get them go. Yo, it ain't gone back. He lang go ride, oh, he lang.
You know what I mean? When you pack up his stuff them panic, the donkey, and head him down the hill. And take time go a river go, go wash your clothes.
Alright, let me tell you, let me say something to this.
Terrible.
You know, one of the things I can tell you now, and this is why I feel like Jamaicans are always so strong and good people, and good people. I'm going to show you. Regardless of the situation, we find humor in everything. Yeah, man, we find humor in everything. And regardless, me no basically don't know if we sleep right now. My brother, they don't know if we sleep and we are trying to figure it out. We still find humor in it and be happy. Because that's us, Jamaicans. Alright, so we see it. So, we see it's a long hill good, and we can drive a long hill, alright? So, we're done long hill now. We're done long hill, basically.
That's not my stoplight.